In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to get funded on Hyrotrader. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, of course. Then from here, you'll need to go up to the search bar and click hyrotrader.com. I'll also put a link to it down in the description below. From here, you'll see this page right here. And here you can see you'll have the option to have a free trial, or you can sign into your already existing account. But to register for a Hyrotrader account, you simply need to click sign in up here. From here, you'll need to go down to register. And then from here, it's going to take some time verifying your account. And here you can register with signing in your email address and do this little capture. Once you've done that, you simply need to click register and then go into that specific email or Gmail or whatever mail provider you're using and just click verify your email. From here, you'll select the password, and from here, it should look something like this inside of the Hyrotrader dashboard. From here, it should look something like this, and here you can see you'll have your challenges, you'll have your free trial, you'll have your payout down here, but to create a new challenge, you simply need to click New Hyro Challenge. From here, it should look something like this, Start your new challenge, and here you can add a challenge type, either a one-step account or a two-step account, and down here you can add the trading capital, either 5k, 10k, 25k, 50k, 100k, or a $200,000 funded account. From here, you'll need to select one and click Start Trading. From here, you'll need to add in your first name, your last name, and then your specific country of residence and your phone number, of course. Down here, you'll also need to choose either your payment method, either your credit card, or you can also pay with crypto if you want to do that. Then from here, you'll need to click on I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions, and over here you can add a promo code if you want to do that, and click apply. From here, you'll need to confirm pay, and then from here you'll need to either add in your credit card details or your crypto details, and then send Hyrotrader your money. Then from here, you'll have your account, and you can start your challenge. I wish you good luck with your challenge and happy trading.